Hi everyone, my name is Daisy Lorna from Greenspoon, and today I'm going to show you how to make chickpea salad. The ingredients are canned chickpeas, some parsley, the leaves and the stalks, red onion, some cherry tomatoes, some honey, avocado, and some spices. You have cumin and garam masala. Then olive oil and ACV, apple cider vinegar. Okay, let's start. Drizzle some olive oil in a pan and add your chickpeas. Mix until you see it turning brownish. Basically, what you're doing is roasting the chickpeas just a bit. Then we can add the red onions. As you can see, the chickpeas are coming roasted, brownish. Then now we can add our red onions and the stalks. Mix them up. We can now add garam masala and cumin. As this is cooking, we should cut our avocado because we are almost assembling everything together. We've cubed our avocado, now putting it in a bowl to get ready for the final assemble. For the dressing, we'll take some apple cider vinegar and honey. Put 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the apple cider vinegar and mix. Add the chickpeas to your bowl. Now it's time to assemble all the ingredients together. Add cucumber and coriander. Start mixing up. Add your cherry tomatoes. Lastly, add your avocados. I like adding the avocados last so that they don't mush up. Now we add the dressing to the whole salad and mix. That's it. That's how you make a simple chickpea salad. It's very filling. You can either eat it plain or serve it with some naan or rice. Choice is really yours. I'm going to serve the salad with some naan. That's how you make chickpea salad. Remember, you can get these ingredients and more at Greenspoon. Bye!